Coach 10. Well, they even got food out here. I didn't know. Would you take food on a train? Yes or no? If grandma was here, I'd have her fry me up some fried chicken. All right, y'all, this is how the train car looks, right? You got 4 bunks in here. You got the lower tier and then tier 2. That ain't no rice. It tastes like bologna. Adventure. Greetings from Da Nang, Vietnam. This is my last day here. We are about to go on an adventure. I'm gonna get a grab to the train station and then we're gonna catch the train. I hear it's about an 18-hour train ride. I do have a bed on the train, but there's 4 other beds in this room, so that ought to be interesting. To actually ride the train with other people. Hopefully we get some good footage. They say the food is not that good on the train, so should I take food? Would you take food on a train? Yes or no? If grandma was here, I'd have her fry me up some fried chicken. Coach 11, seat 14. There's a sign right there. Coach 11 is down that way. Here we go, here we go, here we go. People are getting off.
Quý khách xuống ga Đà Nẵng, xin mời đi về phía giữa đoàn tàu qua cửa số 4 để ra ga.
Coach 10. Well, they even got food out here. I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know. Ooh, I should have got some of that food right there. I didn't know. All right, y'all. Let me keep it moving. Look how the bird just look. I gotta look for my number. Hold up. That's 6. I gotta see where I'm at, y'all. Hold up. All right, y'all. This is how the train car looks, right? You got 4 bunks in here. You got the lower tier and then tier 2. On some of the apps you register, they call this floor 2. You know, so we're gonna be right there because the number is right there, 14. Yep. So far, we're the only ones here. But there's a spot. What is that spot right there? Somebody been in here. Never mind. Yo, this should be electric power right there. You got the little light here. When it gets, oh, dang, that's a bright light. Whoa, that was a bright light. That hurt my eyes, y'all. I think I'm gonna jump out and get some food. All right, y'all. I got this rice. I believe that's in like the banana leaves. I got some boiled eggs right there. Got the rice in the banana leaves. Banana. In the banana leaves. And I got the Picari sweat water. I know this is rice. Wouldn't it be funny if it wasn't rice? It smells like meat in there. You don't, you can't always, oh, whatever it is, it's really small. You know, what the heck? Where is it? Tricked again. That's some type of padded meat. That's a piece, that ain't no rice. It tastes like bologna. Tastes a little like fish too. Not fish stew. We rolling off, y'all. Let me get this video. Oh, y'all. We about to pull out. I'm eating. We pulled up a little bit. Let's go. I'm excited, man. This is the first long distance trip I've taken on a train overseas. The very first. I'm excited. And I am trying to be intrepid. That's my new word, man. Intrepid no matter what. Adventure. Alright, y'all, this is a stop. They got food at these little carts and stuff. And I went to that one right there. I didn't film it, but this is what I got. Some konga, some chicken and rice. I was really hungry. Let's check it out. It's good. I wish you'd put some more of that sauce on it, that broth.
Con 10 chị về đâu đấy?
Là 80
Chị về đâu?
Thanh Hóa.
Bên kia.
À bên kia.
Bên tôi một.
I need salt. I'm dropping food, y'all. Not good. Need salt. Chicken kind of tough too. I'm gonna eat some noodles later. it's 4:30 in the morning and we are pulling into Hanoi. This is it, y'all. We're here in Hanoi, first time ever in this city. Let's go. Thank you, sir. We're here, y'all. We're here. Watch your step. Watch your step. No, I'm good. Thank you. We're here, y'all. Hanoi. This is what it is. Exit is this way. That's the train I was on, the sleepers. It's hot. I got a sweater on. I gotta take this off as soon as I get inside. Xin chào. I know it's okay. These are all the sleepers, y'all. This is how it looks from the outside. All right, y'all. I gotta find out where my hotel is. Then, no, I'm good, thank you. And then I am going to, people walking up, asking motorbike, do you need a ride? So what we trying to do, right? The first thing that we're gonna do is get inside the terminal, and then we are going to get a grab. I'm gonna get the address to my Airbnb. I'm gonna get the address to my Expedia, and then I'm gonna get a grab car. That's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna ride with the taxi cabs. I mean, I could, but I would definitely negotiate a price before I jumped in.